Okay guys, just quickly, for this project is for Nelson Young's class. This is a page in the Foundations Guide that I was talking about. I will have some images like this one. So, you know, in this image you can see two faces or you can see a cup. I'll probably have 3 or 4 images that I'll go over in the tutor meeting. I just don't have them printed yet, of images that can look different. And so you could go over this like naming portion. What is an upside down drawing? Upside down drawing is mainly like a technique where you are not really thinking about your drawing. You're just focused on the oils. You're focused on like the shapes, and at the end, the image comes to light. So I'm just ripping off Art with Allie. In this activity, which is optional, Kira, you can do something different if you'd like. I might put this underneath because my table. But in this activity, all she has is cardstock. The students can do this with pencil or pen, but for the purposes of the video, I'm doing a pencil. Sorry, a marker, so it shows up. So you'll have the students draw a rectangle. And this is like a I'm gonna do it, then you do it activity. Then you're gonna draw an angled line. And then you're gonna draw some small triangles here. I think with little kids, connect the dot is amazing. So you're gonna do like a finger space, and then you're gonna connect it here and make another small triangle. And you can color that in. And then you're going to draw 2 lines on either side and connect them to the top. And then you're going to do a circle here, a dot. And then you're going to do 2 kind of like ovals here. At this point, the students will probably kind of figure out what this is, and you'll do 2 ovals here. And then you could do some dots here and some lines here. And then when you turn it right side up, you have your lion. And at this point, I know that we've teased kind of using oil pastels, but at this point they're really going to use them, and they're going to make the lion's mane and color in his face however you want. So they're just going to use kind of fanned out lines here to make his mane. And you can just use like a combination of browns. I'm actually going to color in his mouth here with a black marker. But this is a super simple activity, I think, for the little guys. That is impactful. Have them draw in his face. This might give them a break from using those. I know they like those tempero sticks, but this might be a good alternative. And then yeah, they can just fill this in with all the different colored browns and oranges as they want. But this will be the littlest kid's example of an upside down drawing, if you so choose.